In this video, you will be learning about how to get started with your first computer. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing their technology and digital participation. All the profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. The most basic computer setup usually includes the computer case, monitor, keyboard and mouse, but you can plug many different types of devices into the extra ports on your computer. These devices are called peripherals. Let's take a look at some of the most common ones. A printer is used to print documents, photos and anything else that appears on your screen. There are many types of printers, including inkjet, laser and photo printers. There are even all-in-one printers which can also scan and copy documents. A scanner allows you to copy a physical image or document and save it to one of your computers as a digital image. Many scanners are included as part of an all-in-one printer, although you can also buy a separate flatbed or handheld scanner. Speakers and headphones are output devices, which means they send information from the computer to the user. In this case, they allow you to hear sound and music. Depending on the model, they may connect to the audio port or the USB port. Some monitors also have built-in speakers. A microphone is a type of input device or a device that receives information from a user. You can connect a microphone to record sound or talk with someone else over the internet. Many laptop computers come with built-in microphones. A web camera or webcam is a type of input device that can record videos and take pictures. It can also transmit video over the internet in real time, which allows for video chat or video conferencing with someone else. Many webcams also include a microphone for this reason. A game controller is used to control computer games. There are many types of controllers you can use, including joysticks, although you can use your mouse and keyboard to control most games. A digital camera lets you capture pictures and videos in a digital format. By connecting the camera to your computer's USB port, you can transfer the images from the camera to the computer. Whenever you buy an electronic device, such as a mobile phone or MP3 player, check to see if it comes with a USB cable. If it does, this means you can most likely connect it to your computer. Now that you've learned how to get started with your computer, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to browse the web safely and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share it and subscribe to our channel. What would you like to learn next? What tips would be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Have a nice day and stay safe.